Trinidad woman, you know.
Yeah?
Like a Trinidad woman never talk to you yet. Oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah,
like if Trinidad woman ever start cuss me, but just like look on her like, you're cute enough.
What's good YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, and I'm back in with another video for you guys. But this is not a reaction. Today we have a smasher. Wait, we have a guest.
Yo, people that bit don't know say I yard man eat and is it?
Right?
Yo, people them say don't know say a yard man eat and is it me I say? When they are over upon the reaction boss upon Tyrekevlogs, is it me?
So we are doing a smasher pass today.
What?
Caribbean females edition.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
We have a lot of potential.
Ooh. Hey man, say, no, I feel like my future wife have to come from the Caribbean, is it me I say?
Which
like,
is only right.
But
But so right now we got the name right, so randomly listed.
random list, yeah.
I'm not sure which country they are from yet.
Yeah.
We're gonna find out after we click them.
Yeah man.
So
Alright.
click
Ready?
the one first.
Click one. Alright, just at random. Alright, man, see there. Boom.
Granted. Go through.
I would that.
that.
Nessa Preppy!
So okay.
Nessa. I feel like you have an answer, you know. I feel like you have an answer.
But definitely
Feel like
smash it.
I
I
feel
smash
like-
it over there.
Yeah, you smash it.
There. Wait, sorry, no zooming after zoom.
No zooming up the zoo. I like Nessa, but I don't know. Personally, I don't know. Yeah, man, I say like I like Nessa, you know, but I just feel like I just don't know. Yeah, man, I think it's like a spirit thing. You get me? Like I said, I feel like I'd have to know Nessa in person to kind of decide to say. Hear me, I say, cause listen, ladies and gents, listen, hear me, I say, I am more than just a physical being, you know. You hear me, I say, like I feel like, you know, I have to see her in a person for kind of. You hear me, I say, I'm not just going to like, you know. But Nessa cool,
So
you
you
know.
never seen Nessa in person yet then?
I've never seen Nessa in person. You hear me, I say. So I mean,
So
it's
it's
just a spirit thing. I'm a spirit that say, yo, yard man, don't do it.
So you're passing Nessa.
She pretty, you know,
But you're passing
but I have to
Nessa.
pass. Cause my spirit is like, yo. Right.
Yeah, I got it here. Definitely a smash for me.
Yeah.
I've never met you in person, but you're getting a smash.
Alright, and if Nessa said this, you know, no disrespect in a moment, but more I see in a real life, you get me?
In a real life,
In a real life. Alright.
Pick a next one.
Alright. Boom, bam. That one there.
Alright, yo, Guyana. Guyanese.
Latoya Bolas.
Guyanese.
Who are you? Okay.
Guyanese. Go, screws.
Okay. Alright, let me see what I go on. Yeah, man. Mama.
I love to take up on my cannot manage.
You love take up what you can manage.
Smash it
I say you are smart.
That one picture, they kick off your face.
No,
Everybody
man,
have that one picture there.
me have to pass, you know. Me have to pass. Everyone me have to pass.
Tattoo for the breast.
Yeah. I'm not a big tattoo man, you know. It may I say, but like certain tattoo placements that always throw me off. It may I say, especially like tattoo on the breast. That's for me personally. I'm like, I can't do it. I mean,
It's curvaceous.
my sister say curvaceous and my sister the girl body and everything, you know, brother. Me see it, you know, but I am just a simplistic man. Is it me? I say, yeah, like, she pretty, you know, and weird things in her dog, but like, me personally.
Tattoo on the breast.
I am, yeah. Is it me? I'm sorry, and that I'm disappointing your subscribers.
Wait.
Is it me? I said, it's just a me something.
Alright, I feel you.
Is it me? So I'm sorry, the people that probably have burned me up in the comment section and I say, no, just take it easy.
Next up,
Alright.
let's see what show you're gonna. Bam.
And she wear pants just like me.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I feel like,
Okay.
yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Okay.
I'd smash.
Alright.
I'd smash.
Buckle belt. Then even some side shit.
One moment.
Did you smash or something like that?
Yeah, man. I smash.
Alright.
Look like we have, similar tastes, Is it me I say? I'm like, yeah, man. Spirit is saying yes.
You all know the history already. I ain't gonna say nothing much. Next up.
Plus, my head, I got you, like, Trinidad woman have a weakness for Trinidad woman,
Yeah?
Like, a Trinidad woman never talk to you yet. Oh, my goodness gracious.
Yeah, boy.
Like, if Trinidad woman ever start cuss me, I just like, I look upon her
I
like,
laugh.
you're cute enough,
We get cuss regular.
Isn't it?
Anyways.
Like, yo, the Trinidad accent, whew. Yeah, man, it deal with me away, man.
Sometimes I can't just chat to me.
Yeah, man.
Anyways,
Yeah, man.
next up we have. You probably know she.
Official __ machine. With a name like that, I feel like she's a dancehall queen, not true?
It is. She is.
Yeah, man, a DHQ. Queer kitchen body dog. Whew. I feel like she can't broke me, but more she broke me.
You know, you need to see. I want she not going to her tongue, brother.
What?
Right?
What?
I know she have that on her page, but brother.
No, I need to find out now.
I know if you have none on the
I
page
need to find
again.
out now.
But she have a tongue where you can bend up and
What? Yeah, man, it's a machine for real then, man.
Bad.
It's a machine for real.
She bad.
It's a machine for real, man.
Just not say she bad.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, smash her pass.
Yeah, cheese and peas. My spirit is telling me no, but my body wants to say yes. Ah! Cheese and peas. I'm like, so girl with braces, I'm not talking about like the fake braces, I'm talking about like actual braces.
See there.
Wait.
We are not even eat that. What we say more and see what I go on. I think go next. I go she next. I'm say something.
Let me see.
She not going on. She not going on. What has been said?
Yeah, man. I feel like if I this right there, yo, is me. What queer?
Jungle. Bongo.
Oh, good gosh, man. Yeah, I like my spirit wants to say, yo, careful, but my body is like, yo, me running upon it, You see me?
So yeah, special for brother.
My body has to smash, man. My body has to smash.
Alright. Actually, I got pass.
You have what you have pass?
I got pass. I love to take up my car marriage, but my car marriage one day. I just tell you for
Yeah,
sure.
she feel like said you need a special long piece of bamboo for deal with that one.
Alright.
Is it me? I say like
Carve out, I have to carve out especially for she.
Yeah, man. You have to have a whole lot thing there. You have to have a whole lot breadfruit in your pants, dog.
Alright.
Is it me?
Yeah. Next up, we have
I would that.
Superstar Riri.
Oh,
Oh, she Trinidad?
Yes, bro. You don't know her. Well, you know her now. Listen. The first time me ever see Superstar Riri, did they post up
Carnival.
one piece of picture on the gram?
Everybody real?
Brother, me don't know.
She shot?
Me don't know. I don't know her in person. Is it me? I'm gonna see the tie them. Look upon the tie them. Look upon the tie them. So I'm comment upon the picture. I'm say to her, I say, yo, please go work at KFC so I can beg you for your elegant tie.
Ooh.
Is it me?
She
She replied to me, yes. She come talk about, tell me for go yam fish, no chicken for me. We say, hey, my girl. And some of the artists them sit and start laugh. All Earth and Alf sit and start laugh. Is it me? I say, yo, my love how she stay because she look like she have an attitude about her. Is it me? I say?
Yeah.
And like, dog, just look on her body, man.
So I go on.
Look on her body, dog.
So I go
Look
on.
on her body. Just look on her.
She think, man.
Just look on her.
She get a smash, man.
Superstar, yeah, man. We smash it.
Alright,
Is it me? I
superstar.
say, we smash potatoes. Is it me?
Superstar.
Superstar,
That was a good look.
Yeah, man.
Next up, so I go on, sir.
I am Nakaya. Yeah, man. Another Trinidadian, this man.
Oh, is that influencer? She a YouTuber?
Yeah, man. Is she a YouTuber? Is she a YouTuber? I don't even know if she have a YouTube channel. Is it me? I say? One cute little girl, one of my friend them, from Trinidad. Is it me?
She like she's a cool friend for real.
Mm-hmm.
That pass her still.
Yeah, that part, where that part? Okay, you like bigger things for broke you up, not true?
Not saying. I try to do like skinny girls. I ain't gonna cap, but
What is that?
some girl just for friends. You see me? I say?
Hear the money.
She good. She look good.
Hear the money.
Yeah, smash her pass.
It's because I know her.
Yeah, pass.
No. I never said that. Is me I
Go
said.
pass, yeah, pass. If you say pass, I'm because you do her.
No. Because me that's smash it.
She look good though.
Is me I said. I don't want her to say some things to me like you know with her Trinidadian accent. Is me I said. Just say some things to me. Look how she look a bit already. Is me I said. We can take her up and run with her and all them something there. Is it me? And she can't run away. Because I can hold her down and tie her up. Is it me I said. Whoa. Never calm down.
Anyways.
Is it me? Well, yeah, man. Like, she
alright.
Kaya. Is it me?
Alright, Kaya. See ya. She look good. I don't know why my pass her though. I don't know why.
Me know why, man.
Why?
Because you want to Oh, listen to me. I'm a friend this from Atlanta. Caribbean Barbie. Listen to me. No, cannot. No, listen. Listen. Not only. Listen.
What land?
Listen.
Oh, she Jamaican?
Our family come from Jamaica.
Wait.
She come from New York. You see me? She's based in Atlanta right now. Listen. Not only does she look good, the girl smell good, bro. You see me? Listen to me. Listen. The people that know about yard man, they know I say.
You like smelling?
I like smelling. You get me? I say. So listen. The girl smell good, bro. You see me? I say. Dog. I always flirt with her, dog. You see me? And she always just give me the run round, dog. But she know what I go on. You get me? Listen.
So that's why she get the road because she know what I go on.
Listen.
The yard man like smelling people.
Listen.
Brother. Shit, what about you doing?
Brother. Yo, the first time I ever danced with her, see? Mm-hmm. There one party. And she decided she give me one wine. So me thinks I don't want regular little wine for them to come to figure out say my girl I do all them extra something split on top of me and all them thing there and completely mash up my meds. Yeah man, she's a girl where did a music video. She did the Marco music, one of the Marco recent music video, dog. You see me? I say she one of double magnum dancer them to dog. You see me, bro? The girl bad. You see me? And me, Danielle, would I breed you? You see me? Just I say it. What does I say it? Sorry. What does I say?
Next up.
I don't need her, man.
Next up. So what go on right, that's all.
Oh my goodness, Giselle Simmons.
I don't know these people.
Bro,
where is she from?
She is a hot girl.
From?
Jamaica.
When you say hot girl, should have figured it out.
I'm gonna say, like, bro, brother.
Oh, she does.
Brother. You wanna see her body, man?
Okay.
You see me? Like, literally, this is her whole Instagram.
Oi.
That's her whole Instagram. If you never know her now, you know her now. That's her whole Instagram. Yeah, me see it already. Every one of her picture them. You're deaf. Every one of her picture them.
Yeah, this day, brother. You're Jamaica, this,
you just realize this. What I'm saying is that every one of her picture them, then I'm bridging them group chat. Every time she post something, I'm bridging them say, man, them. Just send the link. Is it me I say? Or you know, I put the NSFW if it's during the daytime, I'm on them there work. Is it me? Yeah, man. The girl. Oh, brethren.
Yo, a Jamaica, this,
I know.
Why I left Jamaica?
Brother. Giselle Simmons. And the thing what I love about Giselle too is that she's very much into her natural hair. Even though you see her wearing wigs in all of her pictures, you want to see her natural head, dog. Like she have graduation picture from. I know this already, bro. You want to see her graduation picture when she take it from you, dog. Complete blown out afro. Like me just love it. Cause me love see natural hair, papa man. I love it. See. Hold on there. Hold on there. Cause I know what you look for, but me see them type of video, yeah. Is it me I say when me see them something, them I say, oh. I just love see them something, there, bro. Me love see them something. Is it
natural.
So Giselle, I don't even have to say combo.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah,
man.
You don't know the things there.
Yeah, man.
You don't know the things.
Yeah, man.
Come on.
We got one more here, sir.
One more. How kind of bro?
Boy.
You can't come and do this to yard man, Depan.
You
can't come bring up that name, my brother.
I said, Pastor.
Listen, no, what? Excuse me. Me tell the people them say I should have been that monkey, bro. I should have been that monkey. Me a grudge the monkey there.
No, everybody grudge the monkey
me
there.
Me a grudge the monkey there. You see me I say? Kuya. I hug up and beer things and Kuya. Me a grudge the monkey there.
No, what are you talking monkey?
Listen.
Oh, no, this funny.
Listen. Brother. My vex.
I like everything sparkly.
But me have to explain the people them. Everyone said, Shensia. Shensia is my fantasy baby mother, okay? Listen to me. Listen to me. I will step up in her life for Ajira, you know. Is it what I'm saying? I will be Ajira's stepfather. Listen. Shensia. Oh my goodness gracious. Shensia, like I have a history with Shensia. Everybody knows I have a history with Shensia. Is what I say. From living in her comment section to meeting her at Atlanta Carnival. You get me I say? She give me a drop on everything. We go down for one knee and propose and ask her, may I strangle and tie you up like a goat?
And she did.
And she said, man, listen, Shensia is down for the fuckery. Shensia love the, you can censor that, right?
Yeah.
Alright, man. Shensia is fun. Isn't it? She's a people person. You get me? I said my spirit says yes, and my body says hell yes. Listen. Shensia, oh my gosh. Where did this dog? I guess there's an obvious answer to this. There's only one answer. I have to breed Shensia.
Not smash. Breed.
I have to breed Shensia. No. I have to breed her like lungs. You see me? I said I have to give her the girl baby that she is looking for in life. You get me? I said listen.
Anyways, we have one last one. Alright, Angel. Alright, she's from Trinidad.
Trinidad, I've never seen you before. Miss Angel.
Trinidad.
Oh, wow. I like the artwork. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh.
Trinidad.
Yeah. And that's her daughter, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Yeah. With captions like that, that's definitely your daughter. Yeah, man. I like her. Yes.
Ooh.
Yes.
We go ahead and the video off on a good note today.
Yes. Yeah. Ooh. Yes.
Yeah, it's a definite smash for me.
Yes. I feel like I feel like I'd want to upset her.
It's just a natural body sometimes.
Yeah, man. Just so she can cuss me. Like, just cuss me.
Man, when you see pretty woman,
Is it man say?
Be a beautiful girl cussing you.
Yeah.
It's not like you win. Man.
No, man. Worse is she a Trinidad, yo. Like, I can never take like a Trinidad cussing me serious. Like, please cuss me. Like, tell me about my parts and everything.
You ever get cussed by a Guyanese? You ever want Guyanese someone talk to you? Hey, your man has gone this country.
Ooh. Yeah, man.
Give
me like a milkshake, the man drizzle that chocolate upon me. Is me and say, yeah, man.
I know people.
Make hands take me up in my bed. Is it me?
That's for the video people. Big up yourself. As I say, subscribe to the yard man. Eat and check him out to see me. I get him to 50K right now.
Yeah, man. Please and thanks.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself.
Yo, big up in a Tyrekevlogs. Blessings for the link. Is it me?
We're
out.